We are continuing with our companies for bracelets to see which company costs the least, probably. We're on page 218, so now we're going to talk about company B. So now we're going to shorten our work here, I think. Consider company B. Write an equation for the total cost in dollars, T, in terms of the number of friendship bracelets, N. So what will the total cost be, T, showing the N as the number of bracelets. So we have to look back at their cost. So if company B is $13 for 10, how many would 1 be? So we want to divide 13 by 10, and you're going to end up saying that the unit rate, or N, would be multiplied times $1.30. Okay, so back on page 217, we could write that down. We might as well write it for this one as well. Here we have $18 for 15. So we can divide, and we end up with $1.20. Okay, so we're going to multiply that amount for one of them times however many we're going to think about buying. So this is just going to say $1.30 times N, the number of bracelets bought. Here we have $1.20 times N plus 10. Don't forget the 10 on that one, because company B had free shipping. Company C adds $10 for shipping. Which reminds me of company A, they added $4 for shipping, so we've already taken a look at that. This is the area to show your work if you needed to divide. Was it 10 by 13 or $13? So it was $13 for 10. And company C was $18 for 15. So if you wanted to show the work, you could do that there. Let's take a look at the table on the bottom. In the first row of the table, write your equations from exercises 2, 4, and 5. So what we just did up above. Then complete the table to find the costs of buying the different quantities of bracelets. So here's where we're actually going to show some amounts. The number of bracelets here for 25, 100, 150, or 250. So let's say our school, Wallace Seward Elementary School, was considering buying some. They're going to take a look at how many they need for all the kids they think will buy them or sell them. Company A, for their cost, you're looking at $1.25 plus times N plus 4. Okay, so this is your N. This is your N. So you're going to multiply it by whatever the company charges. Company B was $1.30 times N, no shipping. Company C was $1.20 times N plus 10. So we want to find the lowest total cost. Here we have 25 times $1.25 plus 4. So if you want to do the work over here, go ahead and work it out. I'm just going to write the answers. Once you figure it out, you can check yours. So we have $35.25. Okay, if we multiply $1.25 times 100 and add 4, it's just going to become $129. For 150, if we multiply that and add 4, we get $191.50. The last one would be $316.50. All right, let's try company B. $1.30, no shipping, times 25 is $32. I bet you predicted like me that company B is going to be the best bet. Here's $1.30 or $130, sorry. 195, 325. Now this is actually more expensive when they get up into the higher amounts. Company C is going to be $40 for 25. So I hope they could be a really high quality bracelet, maybe, or maybe they ship them a lot quicker. You don't have to wait as long to have them made. Who knows why they charge so much? Oops. $310. Now look at this one. Starts becoming cheaper once you get into the higher ranges. So for 25 bracelets, company B is actually the best deal. For 100, company A is the best deal. But then we go all the way over here to company C.